Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going on an improv adventure for a friend of mine. I'll explain later in just a few minutes. But first, I'm going to go over to Hollings Automotive and check out the transmission that came in. It's pretty sweet. So this is like a, would you call it a remastered one?
Remanufactured.
Okay, so do they just like put all new innards in like an old bell housing or what?
Pretty much. They
Oh, wow.
the whole thing.
That thing's awesome.
Yeah.
It's so shiny.
Comes with fluid and everything, which is new.
Yeah, that's dope. When did it come in? Friday, you said?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Well, it's gonna be exciting to get that back in. After this beautiful weekend, I was like, I wanted to go out and like scrap and stuff. All right, that transmission's looking sick. Nick, Denny, thanks for letting me take a peek real quick. Thanks for all your work. I appreciate it. Can't wait to get the truck back on the road this next couple days, hopefully. But I'm just filling up now. Then I'm gonna go see Jake to help him out, go and get his car.
All right, so Caleb and I'm Jake. We're going to upstate Mass today. Whoop, whoop. 4 hours of driving to pick up my car that's been getting work done on it. And I had to guilt him into it because we're picking up a fellow Z, and he had nothing else to do today, so he had no choice. So
he kind of caught me. I thought we were buying the car, so I think I mentioned that earlier, but I guess we're just picking it up. But this isn't like a very new purchase for you, right, Jake?
Yeah, I traded a 1982 Firebird for it, and all in all, I paid $1,850 on a mountain bike for the car. To find out that at 2 dead cylinders, which are caused by 2 fuel injectors, which means the plenum has to come up, and I'm not really into doing all that vacuum hose work, so I put the work up to someone who knew 300ZXs a little more than I did. I'm used to all the big block V8s,
yeah,
just spark plugs and carburetor stuff. So, but it's a fun drive, and we got the 350 out here.
Yeah,
out in the winter,
stretching its legs a little bit.
Salty roads, but
well, it's already salted up a little bit. So I gotta probably once I go home, I'm probably gonna get another like under spray and stuff. The car wash, like the touchless car wash. So I'll do that. And get rid of some of this junk on the car.
Yeah, I have to undercoat this thing, and it's kind of rotted out underneath a bit. So I'm gonna try to clean up the frame when I replace the exhaust, but. I don't want to do that either because I have to replace the exhaust on jack stands. But it'll be fun, and we got a long drive ahead of us.
So we'll check in. We'll check in once we're at this guy's shop and we get the Z. Apparently he's got a bunch of ZXs out there, a bunch of motors on stands, so it should be a cool little spot.
Yep, and it's not a shop; it's a house.
House shop.
Very cheap labor, and he's doing a good job though. I have pictures.
All right, we'll check in.
That's not good. Someone's having a bad day.
Oh, it's close. It's close. Come on! Woo! Woo! 150,000 miles, still going strong.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Make a man out of you. Oh gosh.
So we are just about to get off the Boston, Massachusetts Turnpike, and so we've made some progress, except I think it's going to be slowed down by the truck, but that's okay. We're only on a tight schedule, but it's okay.
Well, you are. I'm fine. I'm just cruising.
And so our ETA is 39 more minutes.
Woo.
That's not bad.
Start her up. That was good.
That is idling so much better than what it came. Even like the exhaust
So nice to have a garage. You been on the ZX game for a long time?
Almost 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that one since 2011.
Gotcha.
But hey, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Really appreciate everything.
Hey, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you as well.
Take care, man.
Yeah.
Well, success. We got him here. Checking out his car right now and all the repairs and everything. We actually saw him in his G35 and we just thought it was another VQ boy, and we were like waving to each other, and then we turned onto the same street, so that was pretty funny. Sounds pretty good though. Idling a little high, but not too bad. So we're gonna drive back home and hopefully we make it there in one piece. Went well. Now just to get back home without breaking down. Not me, but the 300ZX. I think it'll do all right. It was idling a little bit high, but it then calmed down. So he seemed like he knew what he was doing. Nice guy, very professional. I'll plug his Instagram below here. If you ever need any help with your 300ZX up in Northern Mass, definitely hit him up. What do you got there, Jake?
Earplugs.
If you have earplugs, maybe I should get a padded seat for my terrible coilovers.
Last time I drove it up here, I couldn't hear when I got out.
All right. Well, we'll be driving together for a while, but
If you want, I can follow you,
I can do that.
because I don't have a good place for my phone.
That's fine. I don't either, but I have probably better spots than you do. So
Oh, these work
I got
really
you.
well.
yeah, I'm gonna just put in. I'm gonna put in Emmons Tropical, so it's right by your house, so you can make your decision whether you're gonna go home or.
Oh, awesome. All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
No problem, dude.